Narrator: In the parable of the 10 virgins, Jesus tells a story to impart a lesson about preparedness and wisdom. Narrator: 10 virgins eagerly wait for the arrival of the bridegroom. They carry lamps, each representing their inner light and faith. Narrator: 5 of the virgins are wise, they carry extra oil for their lamps, fully prepared for any delay. The other 5 are foolish and only bring what is necessary for the moment. Narrator: Suddenly, the bridegroom is announced. The virgins rush to light their lamps, but the foolish ones realize their lamps are running out of oil. Narrator: The foolish virgins, without enough oil, must go and buy more. They are caught unprepared in their moment of need. Narrator: Meanwhile, the wise virgins enter the wedding feast with their lamps shining brightly. Narrator: The door closes, and the foolish virgins, returning with oil, find themselves locked out. Narrator: They plead for entry, but it is too late. Their moment of opportunity has passed. Narrator: The wise virgins' preparedness allowed them to enter, while the foolish virgins' lack of preparation left them outside in darkness. Narrator: This parable teaches us the importance of being prepared, to always seek and nurture wisdom, so we are not caught unprepared when our moment comes. Narrator: Let us embark on a journey of wisdom, nurturing the oil of preparation within us, so we may shine our light brightly and enter our own wedding feast.